There's a lot that wants to damage your seats and bring down the comfort and value of your interior, whether it be pets, spilled food and drinks, oily tools, or mud. Protect your investment and add a whole new look to your cabin with Covercraft's Carhartt custom fit seat covers. Available for your 2009 to 2018 F-150, these heavy-duty custom fit seat covers are UV resistant, water resistant, and washer-dryer safe for easy cleaning. These covers are built from a heavy-duty duck weave fabric with overlapped double and triple needle stitch seams for lasting dependability. The complete custom designed kit comes with covers for your headrests, map pockets, armrests, consoles, and airbag cutouts depending on your setup. On our 2014 F-150 STX truck, we began the install with the front seats and specifically the headrests. After depressing the two tabs and removing the headrest, we grabbed the front covers and stretched them over the headrest. They do have a front and back side, and to figure it out, look for the tag on the cover, which indicates the rear. With the headrest still off, we grabbed the main front seat cover and threw it over the seat. It takes some work pulling and stretching the cover to fit in place, but the tight fit is what you want. On the lower section of the front cover, unclip the naked part of the clip before stretching the cover over the seat. We also need to thread the strap through the middle of the seat cushions into the back so it can be wrapped around to the front of the seat on the floor. Now we installed the cover over the seat and pressed it in place in the cracks where the cushion meets the plastic frame. The side bag on the cover will also need to be stuffed in between the seat and frame to help hold everything in place. Lastly, thread the strap into the clip and attach both ends of the clips. Pull them tight to complete the front seat. Replace the headrest and repeat the process on the passenger side. In the middle front seat, the one-piece top cover will drape over the seat but underneath the seat belt. Work with the seat in the upright and folded position to secure the velcro strips to each other. The bottom section is also one piece and slides over from front to back. It has an access hole for the center console handle on the seat, so work the cover around the handle. Once in place, thread the strap through the middle of the cushions and secure the straps around each side of the seat. This will complete the front install. The rear starts just like the front with the headrests. These headrest covers have an access point for the folding button, so you know you are positioning it correctly. Slide on the cover for the single bottom bench seat, and again push the cover and straps through the center of the cushions. Attach the clip just like before on the front seats. Process is much of the same for the bigger rear bench seat, so slide on the cover, push the straps through to the bottom of the seats, and attach the clips and tighten them to secure it. The rear back seat cover is one big piece, so thread it behind the middle seatbelt and start working it in place at the top corners. Again, Carhartt has provided all of the necessary cutouts for the headrest and middle seatbelt, so work the cover around these points and tuck it in nicely around them and behind the seat. At the bottom, stretch the cover around the corners and into the cracks of the cushion. The elastic edge will secure it in place. And finally, replace your headrest to finish up the install of the Carhartt covers.
They're a pretty simple installation. They feel a lot like the same material that the jackets are made out of, and they're really, really tough. The other thing I like is they beat up water. So if you've got water or something like that that you put down, they're just gonna beat it up and you can wipe it right off. And the whole time we were up in Flagstaff, we had the ramps for the four-wheeler, the big aluminum ramps. We had them sitting back here, bouncing around on the trails and everything else, and these things are tough as can be. We were also, getting out, walking through all that mud. We had mud on these and everything else, and it just wipes down. They're a really nice cover.
You can pick up these seat covers in many cab configurations and colors, so head to stage3motorsports.com to order a set for yourself. For all of the latest content, subscribe to the channel and give us a follow on our social media to stay up to date.